Welcome to World History in short videos, where we explore the fascinating stories of the past that shaped our world today. In this video, we will take you on a journey through the life and art of one of the most celebrated artists in history, Rembrandt. Born in 1606 in Leiden, Netherlands, Rembrandt Harmenzoon van Rijn was the ninth child of a miller and a baker's daughter. Despite his family's modest background, Rembrandt showed a natural talent for drawing and painting from a young age. He received his first painting lessons from a local master, Jacob van Swanenburg, and later studied under Peter Lastman in Amsterdam. Rembrandt established his own studio in Leiden in 1631 and began to gain recognition for his portraits and historical scenes. He painted portraits of himself, his family, and his contemporaries that are among the most memorable in art history. His historical scenes were also groundbreaking, as they depicted ordinary people rather than the idealized figures of classical mythology. His use of light and shadow and his ability to capture the essence of his subjects set him apart from other artists of his time. In 1632, Rembrandt moved to Amsterdam, which was the center of the Dutch art world. He quickly became the most sought-after painter in the city, attracting a wealthy clientele that included members of the Dutch elite and the Dutch royal family. He continued to produce portraits and historical scenes, as well as landscapes and genre paintings. Rembrandt's art was characterized by his emotional depth and his willingness to experiment with different techniques and styles. He was a master of etching, which is a process of engraving designs on a metal plate and then printing them onto paper. His etchings were admired for their exquisite detail and their ability to capture the essence of his subjects. Despite his success, Rembrandt faced financial difficulties throughout his life. He was an avid collector of art and curiosities, and his extravagant spending habits often left him in debt. In 1656, he was forced to declare bankruptcy, and he was forced to sell his house and most of his possessions. In the years that followed, Rembrandt continued to paint, but his style became increasingly introspective and experimental. He produced a series of self-portraits that are now considered some of his most iconic works, capturing the changes that time and life had wrought upon him. These portraits reveal his increasing interest in the human condition and his own mortality. Rembrandt died in 1669 at the age of 63, leaving behind a legacy that has continued to influence artists to this day. His works are on display in museums and galleries around the world, and his influence can be seen in the works of painters from Vincent van Gogh to Francis Bacon. Rembrandt's art was rediscovered in the 19th century by artists who admired his technique and emotional depth. His work has since been the subject of numerous exhibitions and scholarly studies, and his influence on the development of art is widely recognized. So there you have it, the life and art of Rembrandt, a true master of his craft. His art continues to inspire and captivate us centuries later, reminding us of the power of creativity and the enduring legacy of the past. Thank you for joining us on this journey through history, and we'll see you next time on World History in short videos.